Hey friends, if you wish to force a game or for that matter any application to use a graphics card or a GPU in Windows 11, then please watch this video. Now usually games will pick up the right graphics card on their own, but if it doesn't happen, then here's what you have to do. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, and then go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select display, and then scroll down and then select graphics, and then you need to expand this for the app, and then you have an option for GPU preference. You can change it to the power saving one or the high performance one. Now if you have a single card, it won't really matter, but if you have multiple cards, then it may matter. Okay, and you can also reset the settings to default later. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.